Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing another synthetic wig. This time, I'm going to switch it up and review something by Bobbi Boss. I felt like my channel was looking a little too outre, so I decided to switch it up and see what other brands were doing. And it just so happens that outre is just doing the damn thing, but I did find some new units by Bobbi Boss, and this is one of them. Today's video is extra special because I'm collaborating with one of my favorite wig bays, one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is CoLLAB, and if you don't know who she is, I mean, how do you know who I am, but you don't know who Kai is? That's the question I'm gonna need you to answer. She is absolutely amazing. She just hit 50K on YouTube. When I first found her channel, I immediately wanted to be her friend, and I feel like a lot of people feel like that just because of her personality. She's funny, she's honest, she's sweet. She is somebody who I really respect here on YouTube, and I'm so happy to see her grow. And I don't know, like, I just with Kai. I don't know how to say it. Like, I'm gonna bleep that out, but that's how it is. That's what it is. She is doing a Wigmas series again on her channel. We collaborated last year, and I was really excited when she reached out to me and wanted to collaborate with me again because I love that girl. So in case you are new here and you've never been to YouTube before, her video will be linked down below as well as a link to her channel. So make sure you subscribe, tell her Cassie sent you. And if you are coming over from Kai's channel, hey, how you doing? I hope you guys like what you see here on this channel. And if you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this wig review. So the wig that I'm wearing today is Bobbi Boss's RAELA, and this is MLF573, and the color that I have is OL1B30. Now, I was pretty sure when I picked out this wig that they already had a RAELA, and they do. She's a different spelling, she's definitely a different style, but they do have another RAELA. She's new. She is a part of their Soft Wave series, sleek texture with volume. We're going to get into that volume claim in a minute. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the styling portion of today's video, and then I'll be back to give you guys my full review.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the call, just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape.
Now that you guys saw me apply and style Miss RAELA, let's go ahead and jump into these pros and cons. Y'all know if you're not new to my channel, I like to start off with the cons so that we can end on a positive note, and whoo! I got a few cons for you today. So let's start off with the biggest one. The biggest issue that I had with this wig was the amount of filler hair. When they say volume, they mean volume, okay? This wig has so much filler hair. I couldn't get a comb through it. I couldn't get a brush through it, okay? It was coming real thick. I did go in with my curling wand and I just pressed this down quite a bit. And actually, it made a little bit of a difference. So I'm not loving how it's looking right now, but it definitely looks 10 times better than what it did before the heat. Another con that I have with this wig is the amount of shedding I received. I did cut pretty close to the hairline over here because this unit is a little bit smaller on my 23-inch head. So I did cut pretty close to the lace just so that way I didn't have that white cast over there. Aside from that, I was getting shedding all around this wig, and a lot of it. Now I'm not getting too much, so maybe it has stopped. I'm just getting a few strands here and there. This unit definitely does have a smaller cap size, which I forgot about the Bobbi Boss units. I feel like they do kind of run a little bit smaller. So if you're somebody with a larger size head like myself or Kai, you might need to wear your wig grip because this wig does slide back a little bit, and I have my hair pretty flat underneath. Those were the biggest cons that stuck out to me. Let's go ahead and get into the pros. Now, I do like this style. I think that she's really cute. I love the everyday length. It's sitting on me about 16 inches. She is definitely lightweight, so you could get away with wearing this in the summer, especially with this everyday length. You're not going to get a lot of heat around your neck. I also really like how they did the parting space. I think that it looks nice and natural, and I didn't have to go in and remove any of the hairs. I wish around the parting space right here in the hairline, it was a little bit pre-plucked, but it doesn't claim to be pre-plucked, so I'm not mad at it, and I'm not gonna like deduct any points or anything. This unit does retail for about $30, so it's definitely affordable. However, I do think that there are better units in that price point, especially considering the filler hair. If you are somebody who does not like that, you are not gonna wanna purchase this wig. But if you're somebody who likes a lot of volume, especially in the bang area, and you like this style, then definitely pick it up. I will leave a link down below where you can shop around. It will be a Google link. It'll tell you which website is selling it and for how much. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new here and you want to see more from me on this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. Thank you again to Kai for wanting to collaborate with me on today's video and letting me be a part of your Wigmas series. Again, I appreciate you so much, and I can't wait to see the rest of the Wigmas series. Make sure you guys check her out down below. Everything will be linked, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye!